Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a fun tuxedo looking nail tutorial. I'm really excited about this one, and I liked these nails super short, so I kind of did it something that more like I would wear versus probably like these long beautiful nails. This is very wearable for me, and I think it's great for this fall season or winter season, whichever you prefer. So I am taking black tie buttercream from Light Elegance. Again, I've said this before, I don't file these nails very much because I struggle with them staying in and it just doesn't work. So I did not build these up, but however, I will build up that marshmallow because I need that to be more opaque than what it is. Otherwise, the rest would be built up normally as well as if you're doing your own nails or somebody else's nails. But just imagine that this is a finished file nail and we're putting black tie on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and cure those guys. I am taking marshmallow. Again, this is an opaque, buildable color. So this is definitely an off-white, and this is what I use to ombre with. I love this color. This will probably be seen quite a bit throughout the fall and winter seasons because I love this color. So again, I took that small first layer, again, scraped it on, and then I came in with building up that color. I did see a little bit of shadowing towards the middle left a little bit and kind of more opaque towards the end. So I take a little bit of that marshmallow, come in and add that in, and then I take actually the very end, kind of bring it down just a little bit, and then I take the end and I bring it down towards the tip, and that always helps with evening out the nail, is that you always want to take it to the free edge, and then that also doesn't create that kind of bulge at the end. So again, we're taking that slip layer. You can see I kind of angle it towards the middle of the nail because I always struggle with getting it on the skin. It's just something that I struggle with, and a practice hand is no exception to that. I flash cure in between these two nails. I don't think I said that. Not in between these layers, but in between that ring finger and then this middle finger, because this is a very, very runny gel. So again, I am putting that all over, and then I get a little bit too much towards that little bit of side, so I actually flip the nail upside down to bring it back to the center, but I didn't figure you guys would want to see me fussing with that because again, you only see the upside down nail. So I just wipe off the dispersion layer here, and then I am taking the most beautiful silver foil ever. It's, I think 14 karat white gold, or it's white gold or something like that. Essentially it's silver, and it is so pretty. You can see it obviously before I put the matte top coat on, and I wanted it to be matte instead of shiny, but you could go either way. I debated putting actually a top coat over this being shiny and doing the rest of it matte because I was just feeling matte nails with this. But anyway, so I am taking Selena's stripey tool and I'm creating that triangle look. I mean, it's still a triangle, but I'm creating the outline, and then I'm coming in and filling this in. And I find I like to push this type of gel because it is a leaf gel, so it can be, it's not like a glitter gel. I mean, it's glitter, but how do I describe this gel? It's a leaf gel. It's a little bit different gel than you would normally use, unless you use leaf gels a lot. But I find pushing the leaf gel where I want it to be is the easiest way for me to get this in the position I want. I hope that helps. I hope that makes sense as well. Push it where you want. Well, I guess I kind of do that with the other ones as well. So I'm just coming up into the tip of the triangle to make it a little bit more pronounced, and then touching up any areas that I think are missing. Again, this is me kind of micromanaging my nails. Next, we are going to take a dotting tool and that black tie buttercream again, and we're going to just do some little dots. Unfortunately, I kind of missed the mark on this. They're a little bit to the side, but I didn't wipe it off. I maybe would have flash cured that leaf gel, come in with these, and then on to the dots, but I didn't. So this is actually a repeat of that same nail. I'm going to let you watch this, and then I'll come back when we're top coating. All right, now you're taking that top coat. This is a matte top coat. So what you want to do with a matte top coat is you want to let it sit on the nails for a little bit so you don't get those rigid lines in it. This top coat is kind of a mess for me. This is probably one of my favorite matte ones, but it is definitely a mess, but we get it under control. The thumb has been black the entire time because I did it before, but I wanted to show you like the full kind of look on it. So I am wiping it off, and then we get to see the most beautiful, simple design. I loved this design. It's simple, but kind of impactful, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and the products will be at the end. Bye-bye.